have here a mop. You can see everything it comes with. Comes with the base right here. Comes with 2 really large mop pads. And here is the handle. It will all connect and it will be nice and long. So the base is very simple to use. This piece is nice, it swivels, and this is where the handle will attach. This piece, you can see, it will lock into place after the mop is in it. You can't get it down, but if you need to get it back down, just close it with your hands like this, and it will fold back down. To get the mop in, fold it in like this, and then it has 2 pockets. You'll just slip them down inside it, just like this, and then once you got it, you'll take it, snap it into place, and then the mop will be ready to go. The handle is very easy to assemble. They just screw in together, just like this, and then you can attach it to the mop and you can use it. This mop handle is really long. You can see it's going to work really well when you're cleaning and mopping the floor. So this pole is going to be durable and rust proof, so it's going to last a long time. So this mop is going to fit all kinds of floors, so it's going to work for anyone that needs a mop for their house or even for work. It's going to work really well. This mop is really nice. I have it on my kitchen floor. You can see it's gliding and turning really well. You can use it as a dry mop or even a wet mop, depending on what you're using it for and how you're going to clean. When you use this mop to clean up water messes and mopping it, it's going to hold a lot of water, has a strong absorbency, so it's going to work really well. And when it's done and dirty, you can throw it in your washing machine to clean it all up. So the angle of movement is super nice. You can see if I need to get down under something, it's going to slide really well, and it turns super well. So I'm going to be able to get right under something really thin, and the mop will get it nice and clean. I put some water right here on the ground to show you that it's going to absorb the water really well. You can see it cleaned it up really quickly and really nice. When you're done using the mop and you need the pad off, it's going to be super easy just to clip the sides down, and then the mop will slide off super nice. So this mop is super nice. It's nice and big, super easy to use, nice and easy to clean with. So I recommend it to anyone that needs a nice mop for cleaning large areas. It works super well and very easy to use.